So, picture the scene. It's Christmas Day. Your little ones have just opened some of their presents and they're happily playing with them. So you now get a chance to open one of your presents. Your wife hands you one over. You open it up to find this. Immediately you think, what the fuck? Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. Joking aside, once you get to my age, you do tend to notice that hair doesn't grow where you want it anymore, and it starts to grow in other places but you don't, such as on your back. So the wife getting me this for Christmas was basically something to try out, and in a nutshell, it does what it does. It's a shaver, and you can reach your back with it. So it does what it says on the tin. So I just thought I'd share it with you guys on here, review it, have a bit of a joke about it, and if it's something that's of interest to yourselves, you should be able to find one by searching on eBay or Amazon. So let's get on with the unboxing. Oh, I hate these things when they're like that. That's all plastic sealed pair of, you have to cut it all open. I hate that. Just a big blister box. Luckily I have a Stanley knife to hand. I always think it's cheap packing when they do that. I always think this is cheap packing. And do we need all this plastic? Anyway, let's see what we've got. So we have a card, guarantee card, I guess. Operating instructions and safety instructions, which will no doubt be in a million different languages, so that's something you'll probably never bother with. I must certainly won't. So in the package we get a charger. Now unfortunately that's a shame, they've not bothered to include an adapter with that, even though it's been bought from Amazon UK. It's 100 to 240 volts, 5 volt, but they haven't bothered to include an adapter to use it, so it's pretty much useless. Although I notice it's a DC connector, excuse me, a DC connector there, which does mean at least that we could charge it via USB. I do have a cable that's like that to USB, which is actually from a rechargeable toothbrush, so we'll be able to charge it that way, in fact, at least. But it's still, you would expect it to be usable out the box to charge it, so shame on you Amazon there. We do get two heads. We have what looks like a conventional shaver type head there, which I'm assuming will get you nice and close up, and on there you have your standard sort of, well, I suppose you originally have it for long hair when you got a bit of a beard sort of thing, longer hairs on your face, but obviously for your back it's to probably use that initially and then use that one to keep everything smooth. So we have a power button, so there's some charge in it. We have a boost button. And we have a lock button here which locks and unlocks the opening of the mech. It's also marked on there for how wide you have it open. It's quite stiff, but doesn't feel too bad. So that's it locked into position there. I'm going to just get it into position there. Then we've got an extension as well, so we can make it longer by pushing and holding that. That's actually quite tight. So we'll just pan out to show you how big it's become. As you can see, that's now actually quite long. And then we just push the button back in. It is quite tight though. To close it, you can lock that in position there, and then you can unlock it when you're finished to fold it up. So other than the spare head, and the one that's supplied with it, you get a little cleaning brush, and that's pretty much it. Oh, didn't expect you back so quickly. So there we have it. One of those Christmas presents you weren't expecting, but once you've had it and you've used it, you think actually it's not a bad idea. It works as a back scratcher. It actually does a half decent job of shaving your back hair. At the end of the day, once you get to my age, you seem to not have hair growing where you do want it, but have hair growing where you don't want it. So in that respect, it's quite a good idea. So yeah, it's the Mangroomer, available on Amazon. As always, if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, I'm trying to grow the channel, so let me know in comments if there's anything you'd like me to review, or even if there's anything you just want to ask. So I hope you found that entertaining. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already done so. I'm hoping to grow it a bit more, so let me know in the comments if there's anything that you'd like me to review or comment on in the future, and hope to see you again soon.